Welcome to episode 6 of Health Insurance 101, brought to you by Ditto, where we break down everything there is to know about health insurance right from the basics. I am Shashank, and in this episode, let me explain how health insurance premiums work and what factors influence how much you pay for your health plan. This is important because understanding these components can help you choose the right plan and budget for it effectively. Now, health insurance premiums are the amount you pay to keep your policy active. They can vary widely from person to person, and here's why. 1. Age. The older you are, the higher your premiums are. Young people are considered lower risk and hence they pay less. Once you cross 40 or 45, premiums start rising sharply. 2. Health status and medical history. If you have chronic conditions like diabetes, hypertension or asthma, expect to pay more. Insurers may charge a higher premium or impose waiting periods. Smokers and alcohol consumers also face increased costs or even application rejections. Keep in mind, if your illness is caused by substance abuse, claims will likely be denied as they fall under permanent exclusions. 3. Sum insured and coverage amount. Needless to say, higher coverage means slightly higher premiums. But premiums don't double when the sum insured doubles. A 5 lakh policy might cost 7,000 rupees annually, but a 10 lakh policy might only cost 8 to 10,000 rupees due to risk pooling, lower probability of larger claims, and competitive pricing. 4. Type of policy. Individual plans have lower premiums since they cover only one person. Family floater plans are cost-effective for families, but the sum insured is shared. Multi-individual plans provide separate coverage for each member under one policy. These cost more than floaters, but may be cheaper than separate individual plans. 5. Add-ons and riders. The more features you add, the higher the cost. Add-ons like maternity benefits, OPD cover, consumable cover, or annual health checkups can significantly increase premiums. Some plans offer a few of these as inbuilt features. 6. Location and hospital network. People living in metro cities pay higher premiums because medical costs are higher. Some insurers also charge more if your policy includes high-end hospitals in their network. A wide hospital network can lead to slightly higher premiums due to administrative overhead and negotiated rates with premium hospitals. 7. Policy tenure. Opting for a 2 to 5 year policy term usually gives you discount between 5 to 15%. It also locks in your premium for that duration, protecting you from future price hikes. But be aware that if you cancel early, refunds might be partial or unavailable. Now, to understand this much more easily, let's look at an example. Ramesh buys a 1-year health insurance policy for 10,000 rupees. Every year, the premium increases by 10%. Over 5 years, his total cost keeps going up. Priya, on the other hand, buys a 5-year policy with a 10% discount. She pays 45,000 rupees upfront and avoids annual hikes. She also saves money but loses the flexibility to switch insurers mid-term if she's unhappy. We've made an in-depth video on the concept of multi-pay in health insurance. I'll link it in the description. Please check it out. 8. Claims history and no claim bonus. Your personal claim history doesn't affect your future premiums, but if overall claims across customer increase, insurers raise premiums for everyone. That's how risk pooling works. No claim bonuses reward claim-free years by increasing your sum insured. Some insurers now offer loyalty bonuses even if a claim is made. Finally, inflation and operational costs. Medical costs rise by around 10 to 14% every year. Insurers also have operational expenses like claim processing, customer support, compliance, and marketing. Since they are for-profit businesses, these costs are built into premium along with the margin for profits. In summary, your premiums depend on who you are, what you need, and where you live. It also depends on how much healthcare is costing across the country. If you want help finding a plan that fits your budget and needs, book a free call with Ditto. Our advisors will walk you through the process without spamming or pressuring you. The link is in the description. And if the video helped you, share it with your family and friends. Let's continue making India more insurance aware. See you in the next episode where we look at what waiting periods are and how they work. Up until then, happy insurance hunting.